Hi, I'm putting shredded paper into buckets, and then I'm going to add water. It's going to get all compressed. Add more water. I'm going to soak it, let it get a little soft, and then I'm going to hit it with the low-speed drill with an attachment on it, and that's going to give me some mash while I'm going to add Portland cement and hydrated lime powder. Sometimes a touch of some other things, but for this particular infill, just that basic mix probably. And then I will be building onto this wall with some more glass work, a little bit different ways. I got this addition going on here, and I'm going to put some blue bottles up top. Got the bottles sitting back there, you can kind of see. Anyway, stay tuned if you'd like to see more. And if you got any questions, I welcome them. And if you're interested, make sure and hit that follow button. See you soon. While I'm filling some of these up, it occurs to me to mention that paper can be pretty messy. If you're not a mess lover like me, you might want to put down a tarp or make sure that you're working in an area that's easy enough to clean up. I tend to just make a big mess and then clean it up, or not, at some other time. Right now I'm still filling these buckets, and I'm pressing down, not like rigorously, but kind of throwing them up with a hand press tightness. But once I introduce water, there's going to be some more room. I might even add more paper, although I might not. I might keep them kind of, as you can see here, got them filled up with paper, and that's like, as I press it, it doesn't really compress anymore. Dry, as I said, once I fill it with water, it will compress some more, and then I will add Portland cement and lime and hit it with the drill with the stucco attachment and get a buildable, insulative substance. You can see some of it behind me. I got the hose going. I think I packed them down pretty good, but you'll see I'll gain at least enough room to put some cement. Probably be on the wet side, but that's okay. You can see how that's shrinking down from looking full to more like half full, so I'll probably put more paper in these, and I'll wind up with full buckets of papercrete mash. This will take a week or more to cure. I think I'm safe from freezing, especially here close into the house. I am pushing it a little bit. It's October. Yeah, I'm happy to be getting going on this thing. Maybe I'll come back one more time and show you how I mix. So just to show you how much they all kind of mash themselves down just by getting wet. And now I'm going to fill them all up to a couple inches from the top with water and add these couple more bags of shredded paper that I have handy. And I'm going to add Portland cement, about a gallon worth, a couple shovelfuls to each bucket, and a shovelful or two, another half gallon to gallon of lime powder. I'm pretty imprecise, as you may be gathering. The thing is, to be precise, you need to weigh this paper. It wouldn't be that hard to do. Be more precise. And for me, it's a lot like making pancakes or cakes. Hard to go wrong. Some batches are a little maybe better than other, but I'm working with infill here, so there's a lot of room for a lot of leeway for variability. So let me know if you have any questions. Put those in the questions section, Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe, check out the description for other ways you can connect with me and support me, and I thank you if you do. Ciao for now.